Okay, this is problem number 2 out of 7.6. They want you to match the graph given this information. First thing I think we need to do is we need to analyze what's actually going on here. It's a positive cosine graph, so it will be height 0. This one has an amplitude of 2 and a period of 6 pi. And how do we know all of that? The basic sine and cosine graph have an amplitude of absolute A when it's in this basic form. And your A here is 2, so your amplitude is 2. The period is 2 pi over B. B is sort of like the coefficient of the angle. If it's in radians, you put 2 pi over B. If it's in degrees, you could put 360 over B to get the period. That means how long it takes before it just repeats itself. So that's what we're looking for, is an amplitude of 2. Okay, well, an amplitude of 2, this one has an amplitude of 4, or actually it has a 3, and that one has a 3. This one has a 2 and a 2. This has a 2 and a 2. So we've already eliminated A and B because the amplitude was not correct. The period. Well, we figured that the period was 6 pi. Well, let's see what happens here. If you go from here down, that's 2 pi, 4 pi, and it's going to come back up to 6 pi. Is that going to be a complete period? Or what could we do? We could say we're high at where? Where are you high? You're high at 0. Where are you high again? Can't really tell. Right here. Where is a cosine graph? Which of these two is a cosine graph? We got it down to the amplitude right here. Actually, from here to here, this is not a good picture. From here, looks like it's starting at negative 2 pi and it's going to 4 pi. From negative 2 pi to 4 pi is 6. So this is a cosine graph. Amplitude wrong, that's a sine graph. It would have to be that, and the period is 6 pi. So you analyze your choices and so forth and come up with what's there. So C has to be the answer. You can eliminate D because it was a sine graph. You can eliminate A and B because they don't have the right amplitude. Therefore, it would have to be C. There's several ways of doing it. Eliminate some and then key in on what's really the answer.